All right, let's talk landing pages. It feels like everyone's got one, but are they actually working as hard as they should?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? You see so many cookie-cutter templates out there, and honestly, most of them just feel generic. They don't grab you.
Exactly. And in today's digital landscape, if you're not grabbing attention within seconds, you've lost them. So, what if I told you the way to build a landing page in under a minute?
Under a minute? Come on, are we talking about those basic link in bio type things or something actually functional?
I'm talking functional. We're diving into a platform that lets you quickly create a landing page. But here's the kicker. It lets you leverage other people's videos.
Wait, hold up. You can use someone else's video on your landing page? Is that even ethical?
Good question. It's all about how you use it. Think testimonials, product reviews, or even industry expert content. You're curating valuable resources for your audience, but here's the key. The focus stays on you.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So, the problem you're addressing is when you share someone else's awesome video, all the eyeballs go to them, the original creator, and your potential customers click away. You lose leads, right?
Bingo. It's like sending your audience on a field trip and forgetting to give them a map back to your store. This solves that. You embed the video, but the landing page is branded to you. Your call to action, your sign-up forms, your links, front and center.
So, I share a killer review of my product, but instead of the viewer ending up on the reviewer's YouTube channel, they're still on my page, ready to buy?
Precisely. It's about retaining your audience and boosting your brand. You're sharing valuable content, but you're not leaking potential leads in the process.
That sounds perfect for anyone in dropshipping, network marketing, even just online sellers in general. Using testimonials or reviews is marketing 101, but keeping people on your page feels like a game changer.
Absolutely. It's about taking control of the user experience. You don't want distractions like suggested videos or competing offers popping up. You want them laser-focused on your offer.
So, how does it actually work? Is it some complicated coding thing?
Nope. The beauty is in its simplicity. You embed the video, could be from YouTube, Vimeo, wherever, then share this page. And that's it.
Simple is good. Because let's be honest, most of us are marketers, not web developers. The easier it is, the more likely we are to actually use it, right?
Exactly. It's about leveling up your marketing game without needing a degree in computer science. Think about it. Training videos, product demos, promotional content, all working to drive your results.
So, what are some tips to make these landing pages convert? Because just having a pretty page isn't enough, right?
Definitely not. First, make sure the video is high quality and relevant to your target audience. Irrelevant or poorly produced content will drive people away faster than anything.
Makes sense. Quality content is king and queen.
Next, nail your call to action. Don't just say, sign up. Tell them why they should sign up. What's the benefit? What problem are you solving for them?
Right.
Features tell, benefits sell.
Got it.
And finally, make sure your landing page is mobile friendly. Most people are browsing on their phones, so if your page looks wonky on mobile, you're losing out on a ton of potential leads.
Mobile first is the name of the game these days. So, to recap, we're talking about a quick and easy way to build landing pages, leverage the power of video, and most importantly, keep the focus on your brand and your offers.
That's the essence of it. It's about working smarter, not harder, and making sure your marketing efforts are actually paying off.
So, if you're in network marketing, e-commerce, or just trying to grow your online presence, this sounds like a tool worth checking out.
Definitely. Take control of your online marketing and start converting those viewers into customers.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time.
Later.